Hi all! In this video I'm going to try jumping and flying as a superhero. So, how to do this shot? You would need actually 3 clips. One shot if you are jumping and you are filming yourself from above, mainly your legs and a little bit of your body. Then the second shot, exactly on the same spot, you are flying with drone. Just up would be enough. You're flying slowly up and facing the ground, and then at the end you're facing up, so you're showing some view over the horizon. Alright, and the third shot would be you need to film yourself laying on something, ideally green, like a green towel or green blanket. So why? Because green is the best color if later you want to use keying in your video cutting program, like for example I use Final Cut Pro. If you don't have anything green, you can use something that is as closest as possible to the green, like blue green, or personally I used grass and it's worked quite okay. So, and how do you combine 3 clips? The first clip, where you're jumping up and down, you cut in 2 parts. Well, first part you jump up, and then you cut the second part where you're going down, and put it on the very end of your future clip. Alright, the clip where you are filming your body laying on some green blanket, you need to put, for example in Final Cut Pro, above of the drone footage, and then you add such effects like keying and masking. Alright, so you make sure only your legs are visible and no background, and as a background the drone shot comes. And of course play with your video cutting program a lot, and try to reach the same position as in the first clip where you're jumping. Please let me know if you have any questions, or maybe you can do it better than I do. And have fun. Thanks a lot for watching.